I really like these shoes. I'm about to head out, but I can't. It is broke. Yo, heard you got something, bro?
Yo, fat Americano.
Oh boy, look at this.
At the light, make it right. And I was like, it's the light. And then that's how I just happened to look back. I was like, oh, there it is.
I seen you turn, I was like, oh, I'm not gonna make it.
He's like, nah, that's it.
Spot.
It was cool. It was cool, bro. It was nice, low key, nice, cool spot. I liked it. We did a little breakfast sandwich. It was good.
Yeah, the breakfast sandwich was good. It's nice inside, but yeah, the location's kind of hidden, man.
Real secluded. Real secluded. Not a lot of traffic. When I get that cinnamon honey.
Yeah, you got a cinnamon
iced coffee. That was. But
delicious. I had cold foam on top.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I had this thing called Little Lion. Little Mountain Lion, and it was espresso, salted caramel, and mocha.
Oh yeah.
That was fire, bro. Fire.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was good. The breakfast sandwich was pretty good too. It was too flaky.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I look back, I was like,
damn,
it was all
up on your shirt.
First day eating food, yo.
How's it right over here?
It was good, man. Yeah. I think I'm getting a little bit more comfortable on it. You know, so but I think that's also the situation with the throttle.
Oh yeah.
That's I think that was holding me back, because now it takes off.
Yeah, you're gone. Yeah, when I see me split through by that big rig, and I was like, oh yeah, he's gone. I was like, that's it.
Yeah, and it don't feel like it's like lagging. I think that's why like those previous times that we rode, like it took me a while to get to you guys. Yeah.
Hood Coffee.
What are your thoughts on this drink? It's called Orange IE, right?
Refreshing.
It's good.
For the type of day it is right now,
yeah,
and the weather.
It's hot, bro.
Mm-hmm.